We are talking to the amazing Simpson Protocol practitioners that have told their story and their client stories in this book, Simpson Protocol from the Inside. Case studies, insights, and observations from the people who use the SP process on a daily basis. Today we're talking to Imane Soubra. Hello, Imane.
How are you, Ines?
Very good. He's the aerobic trainer for SP. And I really like that.
Yeah.
So it's very nice. Tell us a little about your background and how you came to hypnosis.
Really, I came to hypnosis by coincidence. My curiosity take me there, and I was at my physiotherapist, and he told me I'm giving a course about hypnosis. What do you think? You want to join? I said, okay, I'll take the chance to know about hypnosis. And from that day, it blew my mind. The power of the mind was so powerful, really. And I took a lot of courses. I took the Cal Banyan one. I took the Marisa Peer in London. I took a lot of small things. And then I stumbled on SP, on Ines. And I was happy to take my course and mentored by Ines. Yeah. Really, it was a great pleasure for me and great knowledge. And uh, what was the main reason I was really happy with the Simpson protocol? Because its regression was so gentle and not always needed.
Okay. Now,
Okay, I'm going to tell the story of a very dear friend of mine. I know I could help her a lot, but she wouldn't accept. She was afraid of regression. And when I discovered the SP, I told her, no need for that. Maybe your SP, your superconscious mind knows better. And if you don't need to go there, he won't take you there. Then she accepted and she had beautiful results. And from that day on, I wouldn't use except the SP.
that's wonderful. Yeah, that's wonderful. So even though she had the wrong idea, people are supposed to get those crying out and all that out. I understand that. But SP does it gentler than anything else.
Yes, of course. Of course.
So, um, what do you think of it when you discovered SP as a process, just the process itself?
Yeah, I don't need to make scripts. I don't need to prepare for my session. Everything is ready there. My superconscious mind and the client's superconscious mind does all the work. I just funnel up the questions in a certain way, and here are the great results. Even the surrogate, I love the surrogate.
I've
Yeah.
been doing a lot of that.
Yesterday, yes. And really, Ines, I do it with a colleague from SP. I do it or with Anna Maria. And once I did it with a colleague of us in Canada, Julie. You remember her?
Yeah.
Yes. There was an Arabic lady from Amman, from Jordan. She was there and I couldn't put her into hypnosis. She wouldn't accept to do it. I did the sessions for her with Julie. It was great.
Yeah, it works
And
pretty good most of the time.
yeah,
And
and 2 days ago, her daughter called me and she told me that her mom is very good. And she always tell her, ask about Iman. Yeah.
well, you're getting your effect on people.
Yeah,
That's what happens. They remember you because you got them the outcome. And they
yeah.
give
This
you the
is what they
benefit
want.
of it. Yeah. Uh, what makes SP the most important things for SP is a regression.
For me, the most important thing in SP is that we work at all levels.
Yes.
All levels, all times, all space. It's really holistic. And when they say holistic, it's really holistic.
Yeah. What's holistic mean? People always ask that. They
Yeah.
see body, mind,
Holistic
spirit,
means
and everything, soul.
and everything, even the physical body, all its levels, the mind, all its levels, oh, everything,
Yeah.
and the universe with us.
Yeah, that's very important. So, can you tell me a little bit about the thing that you wrote in the book or some other case studies?
Yeah, I'm gonna say the story of this lady who came to me with the disorder, the hair pulling disorder.
Yes.
I used to know her long ago, but I couldn't see what's happening inside here. When she came to me, I told her, What's the problem? Your hair is beautiful." She told me, "Look." And she made me look. She has two spaces like this, completely empty from hair. We did Ines only one session. And from that day, she didn't pull a hair. Here, I want to mention two things: the intention of the person coming to heal, that he really wants to heal.
Yes.
And the second thing I want to mention is to be open to possibilities. That means he's open that he's going to be cured, he's going to be healed. It's whenever a session doesn't go right, I find that the intention of the person wasn't what he really wants. And this is sometimes make things complicated.
That's right. Yeah. Person has to have the desire and
Yeah.
everything. They have to love
The
themselves. They have to
willingness.
do
Yeah.
that. They
Yeah.
really have to do it. So they don't understand that because you can't do it for them. They have to have
Yeah.
that.
For my students, when I train my students, I emphasize a lot on the intention, to explain to their clients that the intention is very important and being open is very important. If he comes and says, "I'm going to try the session," doesn't go.
No, try and hope.
Yeah.
Always trying is lying. Jerry used to
Yeah.
say that a lot. Jerry Kind, you know.
Oh, okay. Trying is lying. I like it, Ines. Yeah.
It's true. You get that they always leave a little loophole to get out. So
Yeah.
they
Yeah.
try to do it. So that way they can do anything.
That's right.
No, that's true. That's the biggest part. I do the same thing with my clients. Um, I think I'm finding that as we go along, there is much happening in the morphic field.
Yeah.
But, it's getting bigger, it's getting faster, it's getting very, very good. So it's so interesting to know that I always wonder what's coming next.
Yes, yes. There's always surprises.
You'll find
Yeah.
it right in your client. You'll see the change. You'll see their change. And I think
Yeah.
clients are
The
changing.
the results sometimes surprises me,
Yeah. Well,
even me. I trust a lot the superconscious, but sometimes even I'm surprised with the results.
I know you've had some tough times in Lebanon. So what's your future? What do you see in your future?
Now, Ines, we are very good in Lebanon. I hope, cross fingers, that we're going to stay like this. I see my future here. Sometimes my son is in Dubai. I'll go there. I'll make trainings there, here. online. It's everywhere.
That's,
It's open for everybody. I teach in English and in Arabic, and I'm here for making SP expand.
that's good. So that's what we're going to do.
Yeah,
Lebanon, Dubai, and all the countries around there, you know.
yeah,
So you're the only Arabian teacher.
yeah. This is I say the only SP trainer in the Middle East.
Yeah.
I'm so proud.
Well, I like it too. I think you're wonderful. I think you're just incredibly good. And
Thank you, Ines.
you have the
And
right.
I have the passion to teach. I love teaching.
I think you're great, our Arabic teacher. I'm very proud of
Thank
you.
you.